Hi, this video is about how to use this mini UPS. And during this period, we need the three devices. The first one is the Wi-Fi router, and the second one is mini DC UPS. Third one is the AC power, and also include the transfer cable and the charger. So we will show you how to operate it. The first step is look at this switch on, and then connect the AC power with the mini UPS. Then connect the mini DC UPS with the Wi-Fi router. Now the Wi-Fi router is work for us, and we assume that the AC power is off. We don't have AC power now, but the Wi-Fi router is still work for us. This is the simple operating steps for the mini UPS. Thank you so much.